What's up guys, welcome back to WallStreetBets FAILS. In this channel, we review some of the most insane YOLOs on the WallStreetBets subreddit of the last week. WallStreetBets is where Robinhood stock and options traders post their biggest trades, and we're here to keep track of it all. Starting off with the week's biggest loss is user POC753. POC753 had a six-figure account just 3 trading days ago, but by the end of the week was left with only $9,000 in his Robinhood account, a 91% loss. The losses were due to a play on Tesla stock that didn't go as POC753 had hoped. Tesla reported earnings of 50 cents a share on July 22nd, compared to an expected loss of more than $1 per share. Despite this massive beat and the first full year of profitability for one of the most shorted stocks in the entire market, Tesla stock couldn't hold on to more than a brief 5% pop in the first 5 minutes of trading on the 23rd. Unfortunately for POC753, his call position ended up losing most of its value by the end of the day, netting out to a more than $90,000 loss. Reddit users were quick to roast POC753 for his losses, with one user calling him a man of the people. Another user pointed out that losing almost $100,000 is like paying for college. All I can say is I hope he has some other winning trades to cancel out those massive losses. Better luck next time, POC753. Next up we have user AirBoomer. AirBoomer went on a wild ride over the course of several weeks, starting out with less than $5,000, then packing a 10-bagger when COVID hit. He was probably short the market because right when the market bottomed, we had the tech-driven rally, and his account gave up all its gains, and then an extra 90% on top of that. As of today, AirBoomer is down more than 99.5% from his peak. User Palak Show pointed out that, true to WallStreetBets tradition, AirBoomer didn't take any profits even when he was up almost 1,000%. Professional Crazy comments on AirBoomer's diamond hands, observing that, unlike himself, AirBoomer maintained diamond hands even when up 1,000%. As they say, easy come, easy go. Better luck next time, AirBoomer. Next up, we have a story from user Swoozy97. He's had a tough week in the markets and has already lost $1,000. Fortunately, he recently made back a bit of his gains with a $64 profit on a recent trade. In an instant update, he lets us know that he used those gains to buy a pizza and feels like a king because of it. Something tells me he's still not happy with the outcome because in response to Bill Wiz's comment, "Poor people are funny," he replies, "When I'm rich, I'll still be just as funny." Good luck with that, Swoozy97. Next up, we have another loss on a Tesla earnings play. In addition to buying Tesla calls, user The Red Core used $4,000 of margin to try to make up for his losses. After losing on this bet as well, the only conclusion he can come up with is that it's because he is mentally handicapped. The comments section seems to agree, with one user commenting, "On a positive note, your capital has been allocated to someone without birth defects." However, not all comments were negative. One person wished him Godspeed, while another user seemed confused as to why the situation was so bad since the account still has $748 in it. Hopefully the Red Core will be able to make up for his losses. Alright, that's it for this week, guys. We'll be back next week with more of WallStreetBets' biggest fails.